Come test drive the 2020 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.